Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing a full face of dollar makeup from either Shopmissa A or Dollar Tree. So right here I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and I am using the AOA pencil from Shopmissa A in the shade black. And I'm just using this to fill in my brows, and it is very easy to use. I love this brow pencil. I always have backups. Now that I've dyed my hair a lighter shade, I'll probably get a lighter color, but for now I'll be using this one. I don't think it looks too bad. This pencil also lasts a pretty good time on your face, so I'd highly recommend it. It's for $1. I believe it's $1, $1.55. I just know it's under $2. Everything in this video is under $2. So, and you know, I just wanted to show you how you can get a full face. You know, you can, this is like a simple glam makeup look, but you can get glam with affordable makeup, very affordable makeup. So, you know, don't think that you can't. And I'll be doing more videos like this on my channel. Like, I'll probably do a more glam look next time, just so you can see the different looks you can achieve with this makeup. And here I'm going in with the eye primer from Shopmissa A. This is their AOA eye primer, and it's just like it has a little color to it, so it does cover up the veins on your eyelids. And then here I'm going with the LA Colors eyeshadow duo. This is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going with the brown shade in my crease. And all the brushes I'll be using in today's video are all from Shopmissa A. They are the AOA brushes. They come in a pouch and they work very well. Now, the eye brushes aren't the best, but they work. I made them work. And here I'm going to go in with this gold shimmer shade. It's so beautiful, and I'm just going to use my finger to put it all over the lid, and just like that. And it's so pretty. I love this color so much. Actually, this is the first time I use it, and the matte shade in the crease is very pigmented, as you can see, and so is the shimmer shade. It's very pretty. So here I'm just packing it on, making sure it lasts all day. Then I'm going back in with that brown shade into the crease, and I'm just adding more pigment into the crease and into the outer corner. And then you'll see me, after I add more product into the outer corner, I'll start to blend the crease out so it doesn't look like such a harsh line. And now I'm just blending a little bit more, just to make sure everything looks seamless. You do not want harsh lines with your eyeshadow. So yeah, and I was really impressed with the performance of these eyeshadows. They were really good. Now I'm going in with this new eyeliner, liquid liner. It's a felt tip pen. It's in the shade black. I believe it's just black. I'm going to list everything below, the exact price, the products, the shades, things like that. So I'm just lining my eyes like so, and trying to get a precise wing. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little hard to work with, but it could, like I usually say, be my eyelids that are pretty wrinkly at my age. I am 43, so yes. Now I'm going in with this foundation. This is a new foundation that I found at Dollar Tree. So this is the first impressions on this one. Now, I'm just going to tell you now, the shade was okay, but this has absolutely no coverage. So I would definitely skip out on this foundation. I would not repurchase. I can't remember the name of this foundation, so I'll have it in the description below. If you want to, I mean, if you're looking for something that's like a BB cream type of thing, or something just to grab onto your makeup, I mean, this is perfect because it does grab onto your makeup, but it has zero coverage. So then I went in with extra product and a sponge just to see if it would add more coverage, and it did not. So as I said before, I would definitely skip out on this foundation. Even though it's very affordable, it's not the best. It really has no coverage. And like I said, if you want to use it as a light BB cream, like a no coverage thing, just to have your makeup stick to it, then pick it up. Now I'm going in with the Shopmissa AOA Paw Paw contour sticks. These are really good. They blend very easily into the skin, as you will see in a moment. And so I'm contouring my cheekbones. I'm gonna do some forehead contouring, and then on the sides there, just to shrink down the forehead a bit. And then I'm gonna blend this in with a sponge, and you will see how it blends out, as it should, because I'm not using it as a bronzer. I'm using it as it's meant to be used, which is a contour. I won't be wearing bronzer in this video. Everything I have on that you see is contour. So, and also I cannot remember the shade, so I will put it in the description below. And here I'm just still blending the other side. And just so you know, today I decided to do a voiceover because I was just feeling down all day, not feeling great at all. The weather here in Philly is not the best. It's been raining all day, so I just really didn't have the energy to really talk and do my makeup. So I just figured I'd do it and record and do a voiceover. So that's what I did. And here you just see me blending out the nose contour. And if you see me talking or anything like that, my fiance was there next to me, and I was also listening to music, so most likely I was singing. Here is a blush that I've never tried in this shade. I'm not even sure what shade that was, but it is a very red shade. It's very pigmented. And once I blended it out, it really looked very, very pretty. So I do like this blush. I do recommend these blushes. I have it in 3 different shades, and they are really beautiful. They blend out really nicely, but they are very pigmented, so you do not need to go in with a lot like I did. Let me see. These are new to me from Shopmissa, so I haven't used them or played with them that much. So I completely forgot how pigmented they are. Like look what I just did to my nose, but I was able to blend it out very nicely with the sponge. But like I say, yeah, I do recommend these blushes. They are beautiful. Here I just have the corrector, color corrector from LA Colors. This is from Dollar Tree. This is the peach shade. So I'm just putting this shade on first, and then I'm just going to blend it out with this small sponge, which I also got from Dollar Tree in a pack of 3. Okay, so now I'll be using this Ardell concealer, which I also found in Dollar Tree. And let me tell you, this concealer has great coverage. I don't know if Ardell still sells these concealers in the drugstores, but I do know you can find them in Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they still have them there, but this concealer was amazing because it has really good coverage. I would have liked it to be a little bit darker, but this shade will work for me. So I just blended it all out, and there you go. And then I'm gonna go in with my powder from B Color, and this powder was really nice. I love how smooth my under eyes look with this powder. It's really pretty. The line B Color has also Be Pure, and they sell like different skincare, makeup, things like that in Dollar Tree, and I really do like it. Here I'm going in with the AOA Puff powder, setting powder, and I'm just setting my face. Now this powder I do not recommend to anyone unless you are very fair skin. I got the shade translucent and I left a white cast all over my face, so I will not be repurchasing the powder, and I do not recommend this powder because I'm pretty sure if it's leaving a white cast on my face, it would have some flashback. So I highly doubt I would use this again. Okay, so now I'm going in with my eyeliner, and this is This is from Shopmissa. This is their AOA gel liner, and I did like it a lot, but when I went to line my other eye, the eyeliner tip did break off, so you do have to be careful with that. But the eyeliner worked very well. It's very smooth. It was easy to get on, very black, and I do like it a lot. So that I would recommend for just $1 or under $2. And then we have this mascara, which is amazing. So I zoomed in here just so you see if you can really see what this mascara can do for $1.55 or whatever it was, under $2. It is so good, and it was so affordable. Like, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see how well it lifted my lashes, and it also volumized my lashes, but yeah, this is good. I recommend it. I'm definitely ordering some backups. I have another one from Shopmissa. I think it's called actually I can't remember what it's called, but I don't recommend that. It's in like a black tube with red writing. That one I didn't care for too much, but this one, amazing. I really do enjoy it. Sorry if I sound like I'm lacking energy. It is so late and I'm so tired. But anyway, let's move on. So next we're going into bronzer from B Color. And this I also picked up at Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna I'm just gonna contour the face with this. I'm gonna go over the contour I did earlier and just contour like so. And the contour, this bronzing powder was just okay. It had some shimmer to it because there's a different color in the center of the bronzer, and it does have shimmer in it, so I just wanted you to be aware of that. The shade was okay, didn't bother me at all. I don't plan on throwing it away or anything, but it was just okay. And then I used that same bronzer just to contour my nose very quickly. I'm not very great at contouring my nose, still practicing, seeing what works for my nose shape, but I'm just lightly going over the cream contour I did so it can be a little more prominent. And then I'm just blending it in with my finger and adding a little bit to the tip of my nose on the bottom. And here I'm going in with this Ebony blush. This blush is so pretty, so pretty. And look at the color of this blush. It is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this blush. So yes, I recommend all the Ebony blushes. They're very pigmented and they're very pretty, and you can find these at Dollar Tree. And they also have a website, I believe. I'm not sure if you can order online their actual makeup, but I know you can order their lashes. Okay, so here I'm going with the LA Colors highlight in Shine Bright. This is my favorite highlight ever from a dollar store or affordable, period. I mean, look at that glow. And this is the new formulation, and thank God I'm still in love with it. So it's just as beautiful as it ever was. Then I'm putting highlight here on my nose, as you can see, and on the tip. Then I'm going in with some setting spray from that same brand that I used the foundation. Not sure how well the setting spray works or how it would last, because I'm really just washed my makeup off right after the video. So I will try it out again. I'm not sure if I said, but that was a matte setting spray, so I'll try it out again and see how it works. Now I'm going in with this lip liner from LA Colors. I believe the color was Cocoa. I'm not positive, but like I said, I'll leave it below. So I'm just going in with this brown lip liner. You can use any brown lip liner if you like the lip combo. And then next I'll be going in with a lipstick from Revlon that I also picked up in Dollar Tree. It was a great find. It's beautiful. It lasts on the lips. And even if you put a gloss on top, this lipstick is not coming off. Once the gloss is off, the lipstick will still be on your lips. So I really do like this lipstick. It's beautiful. I have a few other shades, so I will be sharing them with you in a future video. And then here I'm using the LA Colors Plump Gloss. And this is their new packaging and formula. I love the color of this one. It's very beautiful. That's it. That's the end of the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you'd like to see more like this. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.